United Democratic Party President Metbat Lyngdoh today refrained from commenting on party candidates for the Lok Sabha elections, stating that names are yet to be finalized and consultation is required on the matter. He further stated that UDP will also discuss the matter with its ally in the KHADC, the HSPDP, as the two regional parties are fighting the upcoming Lok Sabha polls as one regional front. Commenting on the Regional Democratic Alliance efforts to ensure a win, Lyngdoh said that with the right candidates, history will be repeated and a regional party will emerge victorious.
Yeah, this time I could see that we have, that's where we are talking about the candidature, the RDA. This time we have to ensure that we have the right candidate, where the majority of the grassroots levels is looking up to. And we have a very, very fair chance this time as a regional party.